Hey guys, Austin with MeasureSquare here, and today I'll be going over how to put together a purchase order in MeasureSquare CRM. By this point, we've already created the project, added in our diagram, and pulled the estimation data from it. And we've also generated a couple of forms that have been approved. To start a purchase order, we'll navigate on over to the diagram screen, same as we do with the quote, and click on plus add next to purchase order instead. What's nice about this next window is that it shows us all our projects already broken down by vendor. We can just select the checkbox at the top and order everything we need for each vendor. On the next screen, we'll want to match our vendor and enter our shipping information. You can enter your shipping terms and method, and be sure to enter your delivery date. We can then customize the columns in the same way we do with many of our forms, and review that everything is correct before sending it out. You can make adjustments in CRM to designate the stage of shipping. Three options tell you if the order is currently open, if it's on the way, or if it has arrived. After the materials have been received, we can update that on the page and approve the purchase order. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video for MeasureSquare CRM.